are going to the Hagia Sophia, I think.
Yep. So we're gonna go through the Grand Bazaar, and then we're gonna go to the Hagia Sophia. This mosque is really cool. It's not as ornate as the other ones, but
Yeah, it's really cool.
the cool thing is no one's here. What's the story with those boots?
Bought these boots the day that Donald Trump told Americans to stop shopping at Nordstrom. I promptly went on Nordstrom's website and I bought these boots. And I left him a little note in the comment section and I said, I don't need these boots. I don't even really like these boots, but I'm buying these boots because Donald Trump told me not to. Good job, Nordstrom. Keep up the good work.
So you couldn't find anything that you liked and you actually needed at the whole store of Nordstrom? Think he's a mascot? Would you rather have the cat or the jewelry?
The cat and some of the
So we're back. We're back. When did we come here? 2015?
Almost 4 years ago, because it was in February of 2015. It's been almost 4 years.
Back. Hagia Sophia. What is your deal with this here picture in behind us?
It's one of my very favorite of all images of Christ. I just think it's so beautiful. I think one of the most beautiful images ever in all of art of Christ.
High praise.
High praise.
That includes everything we've seen in Italy, even the Cristo in Salt Lake City.
Yeah, I think that, I'm not saying it's the best, but I think it's got to be in the top 3 to 5 of all time.
This is probably not going to show up on camera, but that gold, and then that gold. Look at that gold. Started to rain outside. I don't know if I want to go out there now. But we need food.
We need food. We need to have to go out with it.
You feel a little kebab coming your way? Really? That's meat. Check out our restaurant that we're at. And look who we found. That makes us happy.
It does make us happy.